Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make biscuits without baking powder. First, understand that baking powder is a leavening agent, crucial for light and fluffy biscuits. Without it, your biscuits might be dense. The key is to create a similar chemical reaction using baking soda and an acid. This combination produces carbon dioxide gas, which helps the dough rise. Buttermilk is an excellent choice for the acid, reacting perfectly with baking soda to give your biscuits that desired lift and tender crumb. Let's get started. The magic behind baking powder-free biscuits lies in the reaction between baking soda and an acid. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is alkaline and needs an acidic ingredient to release carbon dioxide bubbles. These bubbles are what make your biscuits light and airy. Buttermilk is ideal, but you can also use a mixture of milk and lemon juice or vinegar. A good ratio is about 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda for every cup of all-purpose flour. This balance ensures proper leavening without an off flavor. Now let's walk through the simple steps. Start by whisking together your flour, a pinch of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Next, cut in very cold butter using a pastry blender or your fingertips until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs with some pea-sized pieces. Gradually pour in about 1/2 cup of cold buttermilk, mixing just until a soft dough forms. Avoid overworking the dough. Roll it out, cut your biscuits, and bake them at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes until golden brown. For the best biscuits, always use cold ingredients, especially butter and buttermilk. This prevents the butter from melting too quickly, creating steam pockets that result in a flaky texture. Also, resist the urge to overmix your dough. A light hand ensures tender biscuits, not tough ones. You can also try folding the dough a few times to create extra layers. Remember to check the description for links to other great deals, including that awesome car air freshener. Enjoy your delicious, homemade biscuits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.